Hey, Dustin Tibbetts here, financial advisor with Jazz Wealth Managers, and we're gonna do it again. We've had a lot of requests from 40-year-olds. Hey, Dustin, how much do I need to save for retirement if I wanna make around $50,000 a year in retirement? So future dollars for $50,000. How much do I need to invest? So today we're gonna go over that, and if you're not 40 years old, if you're younger than 40, I want you to pay attention because I want you to see how hard it gets the longer you wait to save for retirement. Okay. Here's what we're going to do here. We're going to say that our study parameters are 40-year-old person, okay? This 40-year-old person has $10,000 already saved for retirement, okay? This could be their 401k, other sort of savings plan. That's something that they've already done. Typically, if you're 40 years old, you have a little something that you've put effort into. What they want is 50K in retirement. I find if I write slower, it looks a little bit better here, okay? So 40-year-old, $10,000 in a 401k or some sort of savings already. They want $50,000 in retirement. And when they get to retirement, we're going to say that they have $20,000 per year in other income. Okay? Income. What is that? $20,000 a year in future dollars in other income. Could be Social Security. Could be the earnings as this 401k grows and they add to it. It could be a side job. It could be some inheritance. Who knows? But it's going to be $20,000 in other income for the year. Now, this other income, we're actually going to say that it is taxed. Right? So whatever it is, we're actually going to tax it in retirement so that you even get a better understanding of how much you need to save. All right, 40-year-old that's going to retire at 67 years old. Okay, so we're going from 40 to 67 here, and they're going to withdraw this money until they're about 86, I believe. So we need money from 67 years old to 86, all right? Still with me? Now, if you're under 40, please continue to pay attention because this is gonna get a little bit weird here. Okay, so we've got the money, we've got the goal, we've got other income in retirement. What's inflation gonna be? I'm gonna go with 3% in this study. Every one of these that I've done, I've actually adjusted the inflation, sometimes lower, sometimes higher. We're really just kind of guessing right now. The Fed has inflation pegged at 2%. It's not there yet, but they think it is rising to 2%. I would argue it's probably a little bit more, but that's the goal. So this time we're gonna go a little bit higher, and what that's gonna do is it's gonna make it a little harder for you to get to your goal of 50,000. Now, for the 3% inflation, we're gonna use that as future dollars, but we're also going to increase our yearly contribution by 3%, okay? So as we're putting money in, we're gonna say next year after that, we're gonna expect 3% inflation, raise our contribution by 3%, okay? What else? We said the $20,000 a year income was gonna be taxed. We're gonna say that did I put it up here yet? No, I didn't put it up here. We're gonna say that it's taxed at the 22% tax level. Now, that's of 2018's tax brackets. So if you look up the tax brackets, big window there. If you're married filing joint, 22%. We're also going to assume that this $50,000 in retirement is taxed at the same 22%. Fair warning, if you're doing the math here, you may want to bump that up. It's going to make your number a little bit harder, but you may want to bump that up. All right, as far as the returns, as we're investing, we're going to expect that we have a 7% return on our investment, and we're going to assume that this person is doing this, can you see that? In a Roth IRA. Are you still with me? Did we cover everything here? Yeah. Good, right? So this is our study. 40-year-old, retires at 67, lives to be 86, has $10,000 in a 401k, some other retirement plan already, wants $50,000 a year in retirement. That will be taxed at 22%. He's going to have $20,000 in other income, also taxed at 22%. Social Security, you get it, I said it already. Inflation, 3% returns that our investments are going to generate along this time period is 7%, and we're going to use a Roth IRA. All right, you still with me? I know that's a lot of stuff, but that's the kind of stuff we do here. We want to make sure we're very specific. Okay, so a 40-year-old is actually going to put in $9,277 per year one, not per year, for year number one. $9,277. But wait a minute, Dustin. The Roth IRA says you can only put $5,500 in any year at this point, from what we know. So $9,277. Where the hell am I going to get that money? I don't know. Well, think about it. We need an average of $773 a month. Now, don't get scared. If you're 30 and you're watching this video, holy cow, right? If you're 27, what's up? What's up with that? That's crazy. Don't wait until you're 40. These people that are 40 watching this video right now are a little nervous, but let me help you out with that. So we've got $773 a month. Now, remember, you have a 401k, and I hope that that 401k has a match. If not, go get another job that has a match in there. So let's say you put $300 per paycheck. Now, I'm really just guessing at this point. This is just sort of putting numbers out there, but you can do this math too. $250 per paycheck, I'm sorry, $300 per paycheck, and the match is, say, $150, right? $9,277 a year. We've got $773 a month to put in there. We've got $300 a paycheck here, $150 for the match. What does that leave over for our Roth IRA? Only $350 a month. So I hope you're in this sort of situation where you do get a match at work. You are putting money into that 401k. As much as I disagree with the investments that are inside of 401ks, go see our mutual fund video we just did. You're getting a match. I hope that's the case. Now you see how important that is, because in year number one, you've got to put in $9,277. Where's that going to come from? $773 a month. This is how it breaks down. You can do $350 a month in a Roth IRA, and you don't have to do it every month, by the way. You could do a little bit and then add at tax time. Maybe you get some sort of bonus. Of course, you can add it in there as well. Now, when you get to retirement, if you follow this path, remember that that $9,000 is just for year one. We're going to raise it by 3% every year that we go on from there. If you follow this plan, you actually end up with $1,592,000. That's your number there. I can't talk and write at the same time. $1,059,200 in retirement. Now, you wanted $50,000. Remember, that was our goal, $50K. That was in today's terms. Well, actually, when you get to retirement, that $50,000 a year is $76,000, right? Which actually equates to $34,000 today. That's kind of cool. I did the math on that earlier just to see if it's $50,000 now, 40 years old, when he gets to 67, 3% inflation, 7% growth, it's actually $76,000 a year you'll need in retirement. And remember, that number is going to go up by 3% based on our calculations until you're 86. So pretty cool right there. What's the lesson here? I know I kind of breezed through this. The lesson is, if you're 40, you're wasting time. You need to get started. You need me to help you put money in your 401k. I don't get paid for that, but I will push you to do that. I'll figure out the math for you. We also need to get you started on some other type of retirement account. Maybe it's a Roth, maybe something else is a better fit for you. If you're under 40, get started early. These numbers add up, and every year you wait past that, those numbers don't go up by a little bit. They start getting out of control. So make sure you start early. If you're 40, give me a call. I can work with you. I can help you through it. I'll take you off the ledge, right? I'll talk you right off that ledge. We'll pick a plan. We'll figure something out for you. You can get there. I can help. Let me know in the comments below. Are you 40? Did you start saving for retirement? How you doing? What are you putting away? How are you getting to that goal? Or maybe you're even past that. If you're under the age of 40, leave me a comment. Did I just scare you? Did you just unsubscribe from the channel and run away because you never feel like you're going to catch up? Don't worry, we can get you there, and I'm happy to help. Well, I hope you liked that video, and if so, then there may be another one up there that you're interested in. If you're thinking of opening or transferring a retirement account from somewhere else, click our logo over here, and that'll take you to our website to get started, or you can then click Chat with Jazz, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and I hope to talk to you soon.